Hey folks, Stuart Foreman here, owner of High Speed Welding, and today we're going to talk about the Ryder rack. So this is the Ryder rack. We have two versions of the Ryder rack. We have the Ryder rack Weld and the Ryder rack Silver. The Weld is our fully welded rack available for local installations and bulk orders. And the Silver is our modular rack available for freight and West Coast deliveries. So on the Silver, the entire right side's welded and the entire left side is welded, and it assembles through the middle crossbars. Another standard feature on the Ryder rack are these rack straps. I'm going to wait till we get outside to show you how to use these, but 4 come to the rack and you can add as many as you want. Plenty of space for tool bags. You can also put bins in this. This is our standard model. We also have an XL model that's 6 inches deeper. For a little bit more money, you can add up to 60% more capacity. This rack is anodized aluminum. We do have powder coat as an option as well. At this point, we're going to do a quick installation so you can see how fast our installs are. What the guys are going to do, they're going to set it on the truck and use pinch plates to clamp it to the bed rail. On this model, no drilling is required. So. So something people ask a lot is, does the rack make noise? And we've been building these racks for 20 years and we've tried a bunch of different things. So far, the wind deflectors have been the best solution. So basically what happens when the wind hits that bar, it separates and creates a hollow space behind the rack. Well, these wind deflectors send the wind in all sorts of different directions and that harmonious sound can't happen. It's a standard feature on the Ryder rack. So this is the Ryder rack Topsider combo. So basically it's the rack and the Topsider toolboxes. This is an upwards opening door, so you don't have to reach over the door to get anything inside. Because just imagine if this door came down, I'm 5'8", and if this door was here, I couldn't reach to get inside. But with an upwards opening door, you got plenty of room. And don't forget this TRX has a few inches underneath, so that's something to consider as well. This is our 59-inch toolbox for a 65-inch bed. We also have a 71-inch toolbox and a 90-inch toolbox, as well as a 48. On the 71 and the 90-inch toolbox, we feature a double door with a center divider. Of course, the inside is completely open. If you have anything long, you could tuck it in from one end to the other. All right, so a standard feature on the Ryder rack is this removable rear bar. So basically, you could pull 3 pins and move it out the way. I'll do it for you real quick. Just open it up like that. You could obviously pull this 4th pin and remove the bar completely. To put it back, you just drop it down and pop these pins back in place. All right, so we just grabbed these 2x4s so we can show you why we call these the high-speed rack straps. They're spring-loaded rack straps. This is release mode, so you can see it's going to pull the slack back in. You go around the load, hook it back to itself. It's going to suck up the slack. Give it 2 cranks. 3 cranks, good to go.